It's been about a year in the making, and today marks the launch of my brand new interactive CSS course along with a week-long Black Friday sale. So let's take a look at this course and why I know it's the best way to learn how to piece together layouts using flexbox and the grid. First, it's entirely project-based, meaning there's no messing around with boring theory. All of the designs you learn how to build have been designed by a professional designer, myself. There's just something about building layouts that look great instead of building layouts designed by front-end developers with no design skills. Also, it's not just video, and while there are 8 hours of video, it's also packed with interactive design challenges and also design projects that you tackle yourself. So, what are these interactive challenges? Well, we've designed a custom platform where in each challenge, you're tasked with solving a layout problem with CSS based on what you've learned in the course to that point. Each challenge has objectives which are marked off whenever you complete the required CSS code. There are also project-based challenges. You're provided with a component or a layout that I personally designed in Figma, and then you're able to put your newfound skills to the test on your own. Now in this course, you're going to learn a lot, and it's almost all based on how to build stuff that's designed in Figma utilizing the CSS grid in Flexbox where appropriate. So with that said, we're launching this with a 40% off Black Friday sale that will last all the way until Cyber Monday. So use code BF40 at checkout in order to get that discount. Now this sale also applies to the UI UX course as well. So if you decide to purchase the UI UX course and the CSS course today, you can save over $80. So I hope to see you all join, and I'll be back later this week, just in a couple days, with brand new videos, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.